So I have a big package, and it's a surprise. Okay.
Just pretend that you didn't pre-slice the box.
Okay, I didn't actually. That jumped on
Apparently you did not.
This is my favorite fur.
Yep, found the butt.
The butt was right on top. Does it pee? Upside down marks. Oh, that was not upside down. It was sideways. So, there is apparently some extra chest padding because, well, I've gained weight since I sent the duct tape dummy. But the chest padding's removable, so that's good. You're the cutest booty. Yeah, booty too. Oh man, I love this frosty tip. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, but I want the feet. The body's great, but I don't want the feet. Actually, my first full suit. So I'd be way more excited about the body than the feet, but the feet make lip gloves.
Feet actually require some unboxing.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Yeah, stuff's usually like practice. Okay, wait, hands first. I could have a whole army of Sven. He looks really annoyed. Look at his eyes. He really does. He's like, I'm the smallest. Oh man, I thought he'd make it right in between. Pew. Now we can do it. He's mangy, right? I don't have to brush.
He's very well groomed.
You don't for an adventuring reindeer.
He's not an adventuring reindeer. He's a workhorse.
That's true.
He carries ice. And Kristoff has literally nothing else to do with his life for like
They're both
16 years.
left and right, so easy. That feels like that. Why is the one in her fingers are so bad? I can't do nothing. Look at this. Oh, they're so fucking heavy. This one was heavy.
What a solid hoof. Okay, so I saw.
It looks so good.
I saw the.
I'm gonna just dance everywhere. I'm gonna take tap dancing actually. So true story.
I saw the like horseshoe. Shape
Oh yeah, in that picture.
one of the pictures. I thought it was just a design put in with like extra foam. I didn't realize that's actually metal.
Get in there. God damn! Oh my God, they're
Super heavy.
Holy shit!
Stairs
are gonna be awful.
I don't know if it's just like good paint.
At least the heavy's on the
dense.
bottom and not the top. I won't be top heavy. I'll just be like, okay, you ready for this?
Yes.
Who's gonna love me? Downstairs neighbors. Wait, what's that song from Harry Potter musical? He's like to dance again, and he's like tap dancing the whole time on stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are fine.
That's so clip-cloppy.
So good. Fantastic.
I was really wondering why they were metal until that.
Oh!
That's so pretty.
That's really pretty.
Is this the
That's
extra
really-
fabric that she...
That's the extra fabric, but this is very similar to Kristoff's sash. And the pretty close to his harness. This is, oh, look how cute this is. Oh, there's reindeers.
Little Rudolph.
Oh, Rudolph. Cute. And then, extra. Oh God, I love this fur so much. I'm gonna use this on your vest. around because they've got a little
Oh,
fur
for
around the
floof.
corners and around
yeah, for the floofy bits.
Oh, this would actually be really funny for like Max the reindeer too. Just wear one.
It would be perfect.
All right, so they. Oh my God, that is so freaking genius.
Left and right in there?
Well, they are left and right, which I knew, and she said they were color coded, but it's they're bottle tops
Oh.
from like
So
a. Yeah, so that it's collapsible and stuff. So then they just screw on.
Super
But yeah, but it's a bottle top from like a soda bottle
Yeah.
So
for the screw. That's
freaking smart.
genius. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay.
It's gotta keep it pretty light too. I was
Yeah.
thinking like big metal rod.
Yeah. Well, she had asked too originally if I wanted real ones, like real antlers, and I was like, it's just way too heavy.
Got a real derpy angles right now, so.
So cute.
He does not look right without antlers.
Yeah, he looks.
Hey, he's baby Sven.
Yeah, that's valid.
It looks so good.
wow.
That's so cool. God.
How big and it is. With nice big vents.
Oh, that's so weird. I've never seen a fur head with like individual teeth.
I know.
before.
Yeah, I got a picture of the
Whoa,
jaw.
No way. Oh,
And it's
that's
like-
cool.
I'm
Is it
so not.
like
Got a big mouth.
foam?
I think there's foam in there because it feels
And then
padded,
it's like the fake
but
leather.
it's- yeah.
That's super
And
cool.
then-
Yeah.
He's got a nice big tongue. And she said there was a.
Magnet.
Oh, I feel it right here. I think a magnet right there, so I can put
yeah.
For
the
the
carrot.
carrot?
I can make
Yeah.
a carrot.
So freaking cute.
Is the nose not filled?
It feels like it is. There's.
But it's got vents. You got nostrils.
Oh, it's a fan. There's a fan in here.
Oh, okay.
So I guess
That's-
this
that's
makes
gonna
sense.
be your
that-
intake
So the
for the
air, yeah,
fan.
intakes through the, and then there's an itty bitty little fan. I don't know
That's adorbs.
how it turns on. Maybe I'll see that when I get in there.
Punch yourself in the snoot.
And some cute little.
Festive.
Yes. Okay, wait. This is the badge. So let me open that and I'll put this on because I need to go get a ball club. Oh, there's two. Cat, I got you something. Okay.
When is sparkly? I loves. So cute. What's it made of?
I honestly don't know. I think it's full of foam,
That makes sense.
and there's a fan in there.
So, what are your thoughts on dental boots?
Straight in boops are fine. Down boops are gonna be an issue.
Good to know. Okay.
But it's not like obviously it's not a silicone nose, so it's not
True.
as squishy or. That's fun to boop.
It is still a boot.
It's still a boop. Hi. Oh, I don't talk.
Oh, the noise is gonna take it. Neighbors are gonna hate us.
I'm going to hate us.
Yeah. We will either very quickly get used to the sound at conventions, or
It's already a tracking device. We decided.
yeah, it's a tracking device.
Where's Sven?
That's true. We lose. We can just be like, wait,
Oh, wait.
my feet falls
Now there's carpet.
that way. It's like with my keys. Exactly. Listen for the jingle. Yeah. Oh yeah. So this is not going to be one of those we can wear our costumes on the same days sort of thing. Keys
God,
and Sven
no.
does not happen.
God no.
I feel like if Sven is around, we all have to be frozen people. Along.
You conform to
Or-
me.
I agree.
For the most
At the
part.
very least.
I just feel like it would be, it would be odd to just have
Frozen
Sven.
Crew and Ruby. I don't know why she's here. It's weird.
She just jumped universes to come hang out with.
Literally my favorite.
Come on. I'm
Crossovers
awesome.
is my favorite thing, so I will take it.
Okay, I'm dying.
Well, until I have another Disney princess, at least I have Mary.